If you'd like to see an unboxing and review of this patent leather Telfar bag, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today this is going to be a quick unboxing of a Telfar bag that I just received a couple days ago. They had a pink and red drop for Valentine's Day, and I ordered it on the 9th. I ordered it on the 5th, it arrived on the 9th. So I actually ordered two, and I'm going to do a comparison. This one is a size medium, and it is the, ooh la la, it is the red medium patent leather. This is so bright red. It's so bright red, it may be appearing on my camera as orange, but it's definitely red. I love patent leather. I love patent leather. There's something about patent leather that I just truly adore. I love this size. So this was, the website is telfar.net, and they've been around since 2005. They're out of New York City. They're always sold out. They're very affordable. This purse is a medium, and it was $253. Now I have a large shopper that I'm going to show you in a minute. That one was $253, I believe, for the large, but that one is a different material, so this one costs more. So if you want the large, I believe it's $3 something. I'll let you know the exact price. But let's just get into this bright red patent leather. I actually would love to have this in black, you know, just to match more, to have more options to match it. The large is just extremely humongous, and I didn't know it was going to be that big. Had I known how big the large was, I would have gotten both of them in medium. Okay, so this purse comes with a dust bag. As you can see, I paid $253 for this medium shopping bag, patent leather. The shipping was free. The tax was $20, so the total was $273.24. Now let's look on the inside of this purse. And it has this long strap here, so you can make it be a crossbody if you prefer to wear it that way. Then it also has the hand carry, so if you want to put your arm through here, that's usually how I carry mine, with my arm through here, or you can just kind of hold it like that with your hand. Now and then on the straps it had this cute little velcro, so you can, it says Telfar with the logo, established 2005 NYC, and that's what was on here. I thought it was just a piece of sticker paper, but it's not. You can actually use this for something else if you desire to. Now let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let's see here, and I'll give you the measurements to this purse in just a moment. Okay, so when you look inside, I think you have a decent amount of space here. It's decent. And you have this area on this side. Nice zip. So you can put your, I feel like you could fit a wallet in here. You could fit a cell phone in here. Maybe a couple pens or whatever you desire. Some lip gloss. And then everything else will go in this area. This is how it looks on the back. Okay, so this is how the back looks. This is the front. I think this is very, very pretty. Again, if they have a black one, I would love to have the black and patent leather. I actually wish the pink one that I have was patent leather as well. I really like patent leather. So if you're into patent leather, this would be really cute. Okay, so the material of this purse is 60% polyurethane, 40% polyester. The height of this bag is 11 1/4 inches. The width is 15 inches wide. The depth in the purse is 5 inches deep. The strap drop is 21 inches. The handle drop is 5.5 inches. So those are the measurements for this bag. Let's see. It says that it can fit a medium fits. It said it could fit a laptop plus your daily survival kit. So that's whatever you put in here as far as a wallet. Cell phone goes, maybe a firearm, maybe some lotion, some hand sanitizers. You could fit a nice amount of things inside of this purse. It's very bright. It's very pretty. It looks like it should be pretty durable. We'll see how it holds up. So now what I'm going to do is show you the comparison of the large pink Shpper bag, but it's not patent leather, it's just regular vegan leather. Remember, the large patent leather is $362. This medium was $253, so remember that. Now let me zoom out so you can see both. These were both a part of the Pink's drop. It's a very decent size. I actually wish they both were patent leather. I think this will look even better in patent leather. Now, as you can see, the large, well, you can't even see good enough. Okay, so hopefully you can get an idea of both now. This medium is $202. Remember that. This medium is $253. Notice the difference? This large right here was $257. But if I would have got the large in the patent leather, it would have been $362. So you see the price difference. This one is a little bit more. Had I known this was this humongous, I would have gotten it in a medium size. I like a nice size tote bag, so I thought that the medium would be too small. So I just took a chance and just got both of them and got both sizes just to kind of compare. But I do like this, however. I do really like this one. The only difference with the inside of this one, I showed you how the inside on the red one has that zip. Of course, because this one is bigger, it has an even longer zip. And it has this little flap area inside of the large Shpper bag. And again, this one, doesn't have that little hand area right there. This one doesn't have that little side pocket. And then this one has a zipper, but of course it's not as big as the other one because the purse is smaller. So I think they're both very pretty. The only thing, I wish that you can remove the larger size straps and add them on as needed, like you can do with the Marc Jacobs purse. Other than that, I think they're very pretty. And we'll see how they hold up. I think the price is magnificent for it to be considered to be a luxury bag. The shipping is free, so that's good. And surprisingly, the shipping was very, very, very fast. I expected it to take a long time to come for some reason. But it only took about 4 days. So that is my first thought and review of these Telfar bags. Again, the website is telfar.net, and you might want to sign up for the newsletter so you can know when they're dropping new products and when things are coming out, so you can be on the website when they drop. Because I had to be on the website for this drop. I was on the website on my phone, and I was on the website on my laptop to see which one I could check out the fastest with. I did one at a time for each purse, just in case it was going to take me too long to add the next one. But I got them both and I'm very excited about that. I look forward to at least getting a black one, or maybe trying a different style of it. I like that circular bag. So okay, thanks for watching this video.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you did enjoy it and find it very helpful, and give you hope it gave you a great idea of which size purse that you'd like, or if you'd be interested in even purchasing one of these bags. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Bye-bye.